Hi, my name is Anthony Tedisco, Vice President of Buon Vino Manufacturing, and today I'm going to show you how to properly clean your mini-jet wine filter. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect this short piece of tubing on the front, like so, and loosen off the hand wheels. It is very important that you keep your equipment clean. You don't want any sort of bacteria or anything like that growing because you've not cleaned your equipment properly. So take the washers off, slide the front plate off and the nozzle plate, and put them, normally you would put them into your sink, but for demonstration purposes, we're using these containers today so you can see everything. So take your filter pads out and throw them in the garbage. They are not reusable. Now take your plastic plates, put them into your sink, or in this case, container, and rinse them off. You may want to give them a light scrubbing with a little nail brush just to make sure you get rid of any filter particulate or wine that's stuck to the plates themselves, and then let them drip dry. It's always recommended to use potassium metabisulfite and sterilize your plates every once in a while, depending on how often you use your mini-jet wine filter. So now that we've cleaned the plates, it's time to clean the pump of the motor out. So you want to have about 5 gallons of fresh water and put your intake hose into the water and have your mini-jet close to a sink or in your laundry tub. So a quicker way of discharging your or cleaning out your pump is to use a 1/2-inch piece of hose, slide it over your short outtake hose. You want to elevate it above where you're decharging it from. Turn on your motor. It saves you a lot of mess and fuss. So you want to run quite a few gallons of water through it to make sure that the pump is clean. Now, depending on how often you use your mini-jet, you may want to use a light solution of potassium metabisulfite and flush it through the pump as well every once in a while. But it is very important, if you do use the light solution of potassium metabisulfite, that you need to flush right after out with fresh water. You don't want to leave any residual pot met in the pump because it is fairly corrosive. So lastly, you want to clean the fixed plate in the machine. So you'll put this here like so with some fresh water and a nail brush. Scrub it down, making sure you clean off any residual filter pads or wine that's on the plate. Grab a rag, dry it off. And once you're done that, you're pretty much, once everything is dry, you can reassemble your machine and put it away for your next filtration. One side note, it is important to keep your side bolts lubricated. So every once in a while, depending on how often you use your unit, put a little bit of petroleum jelly on the threading of the side bolts and just screw the hand wheels in and out so it lubricates the threading on the side bolts, just to keep everything lubricated. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for choosing Buon Vino product, and happy filtering. Salute!